Are we live?
We're live.
Oh man, we're
I
live.
know, so we started a new TV series.
I'm in love with her.
No, tell them what the TV series is.
10th Century?
No. Stranger Things is full.
Oh yeah. It's pretty strange.
I had some peanuts in my side of my mouth. That was really gross.
She like nuts in the mouth. No, I'm playing.
What the heck? Anyway.
I mean, you know,
Yeah.
these nuts. My face is like so cold right now.
Really?
Yeah.
Mine's not.
Man,
Mine's gooey warm. But like cool, but like not freezing my face off.
my eyeballs is frozen.
We'll see. I'll move it around a little bit.
Hey. Yeah. Oh, okay. It's not that bad after all.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. This is turning to slime. Oh man.
This is gonna get excited.
It's actually working. I'm too strong.
Time for the purple.
Time for the bubble.
Back to the bubble. Oh shoot.
You took all the glue.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did. You took all the glue.
He doesn't know what he's talking about. Maybe I did. No, I didn't.
I'm starting with half a fork. She's stabbing me. Look at my fork. My shit is some slime soup right now.
No, you don't have enough borax. You put it back in anything before you make a mess.
Baby.
It's gonna make a mess. Put it in anything.
Baby, why is it burning my hands?
It's burning.
I need more borax.
It's burning.
It's burning my hands.
That's the borax.
Borax, stop. Girl, I need some more borax. So.
Eat water.
What is that, acid? You put acid in here?
My hands aren't
She put
green.
acid in mine. I gotta sit on camera. You just snuck it in there.
Getting all over the place. Put it down on the ground. But I don't think it's fixable.
Okay. I messed it up, guys. The slime cereal.
How great and talented we are.
Yep. We did it.
Don't get it up. Oh, God.
My shirt is sticking together.
We're the slime.
It was a good slimy day.
Juice is gonna paint me a painting later. Over and out.
Look at this masterpiece.
Pizza.
Master pizza. I tried. I love her though, you know. Beautiful.